Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Sa aduana mga boss, ako ho'y naniniwala baka natutulog sa pansitan o baka ito'y pinependeho lang ho to si Faildon o sino man tong Commissioner ng Bureau of Customs, who cares what, Marines ka eh. Ang pagiging Marine mo, iba ho yung may experience na pagdating ho customs and sabihin ho na customs duties and then customs management, iba ho yung attention! Forward march! Badadam, 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 dum, dum. Eh baka yun hong kay Nicanor Faildon. I mean, I don't really know much about this guy, but I know that he was chosen by the president to head the Bureau of Customs, and I'd like to look at the credential of this guy without being balanced. We need to have people with credentials and know-how and knows about technology, the present situation, than just reporting and blubbering them out and then showing that he knows something and then tap his name at the back, say, ang galing ko talaga, may mga nahuli na naman sa loob ng aduana. Holy cow! Holy shh! Makinig ka, Faildon! Pukaw na diha! Pukaw na kamo diha sa customs. Gising na kayo. Hindi kami impressed, hindi ako impressed sa mga pinagsasabi ninyo. May nahuli na naman kayo ng mga container ng mga bigas. Sino niloloko nyo? Pendeho nyo sarili nyo ata eh. Naglulukohan lang kayo eh. And then you tap yourself at the back at your shoulder to say that you did something and it's accomplishment. F you! I'm sorry. Do you understand the meaning itong Inward Foreign Manifest? Ito ho yung sistema na bago ho dumating ang barko, mga kung ano-ano mga containers na dadyan, ma-identify na ho kung agricultural products man yan, kung yan ay mga bagay-bagay na darating. Hindi na tayo mangangapa dahil nakikita na agad doon palang online transmittal of those documents na magpapakita kung ano yung laman ng barkong patutungo ng Pilipinas at may mga kargamentong yan ho'y agricultural man yan o anumang mga bagay na kumbaga at para makita, para mailagay ho agad yung sinasabi ho natin, tamang buwis at pagbayad ho ng tamang buwis kung sino man ho yung pagdadalhan ho niyan at darating ho sa point of destination niyang sinasabing kargamento na yan. Ngayon mga boss, I don't understand kung bakit ho hindi talaga may implemento yung sinasabing Inward Foreign Manifest. Inward Foreign Manifest is all about transparency. It's about proactive. Hindi pa ho dumarating nakikita mo na at nakikinita mo na kasi yung bansa, either yung bansang pinanggalingan yan, depende sa Asian countries, either sila ho'y makikipagkuntsabahan, pero I doubt it, highly likely no, kasi pagdating ho, paglabas ho doon sa kalang bansa, patungo ng Pilipinas, makikita ho kung ano yung laman, sila'y magbabayad doon at magbabayad papunta ho sa atin. Ngayon mga boss, the Inward Foreign Manifest, ito ho yung sinasabing transmittal by online na darating sa customs at matitimbrehan na sila kung ano yung mga barko at anong aling bansa panggagalingan yan, kung anong kargamento, ilan ang mga volume yan, gaano karami yan, kung yan ay mga sinasabi natin mga container van, anong laman yan. So makaklasify kung ano agad, kung anong produkto yan, kung saan. Kasi yun hong sinasabing online, the system computerization sa panahon ho ngayon eh. We're no longer doon sa sinasabi ho natin analog type na puro transmittal pa nung araw na kumbaga parang ang dating itatransmit. Ito kargamento. Hindi na ho yan eh. It's so easy. Now these days, digitization shrink the world into a small village and even the trade and either economic in terms of really communication from one country to another, shortens it, and instantaneously, nakakarating agad doon sa bansang padadalhan mo kung saan pinanggalingan yung bansa niyan at para makaklasify, makita kung anong kargamentong darating. Do you understand this, Customs Commissioner Faildon?